fidget trading with Belle. And she's offering this poppet game board. So let's see what she makes me offer. So I'll offer you 2 of my really good poppets.
Okay. Add.
Fine. I'll give you this rubber ducky.
Add.
And this octopus poppet.
Add.
And these 3 poppets.
Can you add like a pop tube? X. Oh, add. Add.
Okay, I'll add that.
Okay, thanks.
I'll add that. You have this one and that one.
Add.
I'll give you this marble mesh.
Add more.
Oh my goodness. This monkey noodle. The going to bed book. Horns to toes, but not the hippopotamus. Opposite.
Add.
I'll give you this wacky track.
Okay, add.
Flippy chain.
Add 5 more things.
5?
Yes.
Jeez. I'll give you this.
That's 1.
I'll give you this.
2.
And this. So 3.
3. 4. 5. Add 1 more thing, please.
What? But I'll give you this triple dipple.
Okay. Except,
Yes. Look at my fantastic puppet. Let's pop it.
yes.
Let's hear it. Okay.
Oh.
Okay, ready?
Gee,
Guys?
I'm gonna go test this.
What?
This doesn't even glow in the dark.
That's because it's not glow in the dark.
Yes, it's glow in the dark. Are all of these on the good side?
You better. No, that one's not because the bad side. Well, the good side has a face.
Yeah, this one has a face.
Yeah, the good side doesn't have a face. Though. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Bye. I don't like the feel.